Hey guys, welcome back to another channel. I know that it's been 1 month since I posted, and I'm sorry, just that I've been stressed out and school stuff and all those type of things. So oh my god. So in today's YouTube video, like, I'm trying to decorate my laptop and my phone case, and the type of sticker I saw, I don't like that one, because I watched a video on YouTube on how to decorate your laptop and phone case. Like, those stickers, they are bomb. In the DIY, you need sellotape to like create your own sticker. So after getting the sellotape, I'm going to, because I'm not sure that cyber cafe are open. The time is like let me say 4 or 5. So tomorrow I'm going to go to any cyber cafe shop and show them what the sticker I want to print out. So yeah, tomorrow I'm going to show you the sticker I'm going to print out. But today I'm just going to go to this bookshop to buy sellotape. Sorry, it's noisy. Like, I'm outside this like computer shop, computer warehouse, because my sister came to visit her friend. He sells accessories. So yeah, so I'm here in the bookshop trying to buy the sellotape what my sister went outside for. So let me just show you the type of sticker they have that I don't like. I'm getting color pencil for my journal. Can you use this marker to write, like on your book? No. Okay, just for board.
It's family marker.
Oh, so yeah, I'm just getting color paint and color pencil and sellotape. How much? Okay, I'm going to ask in counter how much. So, guys, like, this one is too expensive, 600 naira, and I'm not even sure that I'm going to continue with my journal. So now I'm just going to buy the short one. You have the short one, like the smaller one. Guys, I'm just done in buying my color pencil and sellotape. So we're going back to our friend's shop because it's not done in sending us the video. So yeah, till tomorrow when I'm going to print that stuff. So bye. Hey guys, like, I just woke up. So before we get started, I need to show you this cute earring and necklace I bought to the market. Like, I feel that they're like really cute to me. I don't know about you, but I really like what I picked. I picked these 2 pendants. Like, I was going for this vintage look, 90s vibe. I don't know why it's not focusing. I don't just know. And I also picked this one. They are really small and like it's so cute. And I picked this chain to also match with it. And also I got this kitty earring. Oh my god! Okay, look at it. So I'm going to get another like earring, but I feel it's going to be pin earring and it's going to be a moon shape earring. Maybe I might get like this type of earring also, but maybe with another pattern at it, and maybe a star or butterfly. And I'm going to get a butterfly pendant because it's really trending right now. Maybe gold, because I have a lot of gold necklaces, and that's why I decided to buy silver. Because yeah, why do people choose gold instead of silver? I don't know. So right now I'm going to go shower and get my breakfast. So after that, I will see you and I go to Cyber Cafe. Bye. So it's currently like 2 or 1 o'clock, and I'm just going to the Cyber Cafe. Like, I procrastinated a lot. I know she's not good for my mental health. So yeah, I'm vlogging in public and people are just staring at me. So I like, who's this girl that is addicted to her phone? She get. So once I get to the Cyber Cafe, I'm going to continue my vlogging. So like, I'm going back home because I forgot to take more money with me. How can I forget to take more money? I don't know what I was thinking. Maybe I was so excited about putting my sticker and I forgot to take some money. And it's about to rain. So yeah, and I don't know if after printing because they're printing it right now, I don't know if like after taking my money I'll go back there, pay. I don't know if I'm going to like do the DIY stuff now. Maybe I'm going to do it when I get back because I need to run an errand for my mom. So yeah, I'm just heading home. I'm done. I just got my sweater and my backpack. So guys, as I was going back home, I just saw a Cyber Cafe closer to my house, and the Cyber Cafe that I'm printing my sticker is so far. Maybe if I've done it in the one closer to my house, I'd have a lot of time to do the DIY for you guys. Guys, sorry for the lighting, and these are the sticker, and I'm balancing my phone on the book. So yeah, he used one type of paper material and it's bigger, so this one is so big. I was not there to tell him how I wanted it to be because I went to get my money. Look at it. Papa, what are you doing on my computer? But it's big, like. So guys, I was not able to see a moon shape earring, so I got this. Yeah, I don't know the shape. I've forgotten. So I feel it's cute, and I got this elephant earring. Focus. Does not want to focus, so but yeah, I got this cute elephant earring. Focus. Why do you keep falling down now? I got this cute elephant earring. So like now I'm going to cut the stickers, and I have my sellotape, clear sellotape with me. So this is what I'm using instead of the like Ziploc bag. So it's really big. So I'm just going to cut it and like just do exactly what I saw on YouTube, and you see how it comes out. I'm done with the papa sticker. Like, so I'm going to cut the 90s. do next is to place like sellotape on top of this, or what am I going to call it now, on top of the nylon, the thick nylon which looks like ziploc bag. Then after placing the sellotape, then I'm going to place the sticker and place on that sellotape, then I'll cut it. So after that I'll show you how it turns out. So bye. Hey guys, it's morning and I was not able to like cut the sticker and fix it to my laptop because it was really late at night, and I don't use that bag again. I just use this bread bag, like what else to put bread, that bread nylon, this bread nylon again, because when I use that bag it not like comes out the way I wanted it. I just use different like slippery nylon. So what I'm going to do now is to like cut it round and leave this part so I can easily peel it off. So guys, I'm done in like cutting the stickers, and I'm wearing my top like this because I'm hot. So this is what I got. This is my phone case. So I'm going to choose, I'm just going to like set the stickers that I want on the floor, and I'm going to choose from them. I'm going to choose from Papa Pig, 90s vibe, and Visco guest sticker. They are much. Oh my, this is my laptop where I'm going to be like putting the sticker on top, and I'm still going to put it here, and I'm going to put it like on the charger to like here or here, and maybe here. Guys, I'm done finally. Glory be to God. Like everywhere is sellotape everywhere, over on my body. So this is my laptop. Isn't it cute? Oh God, it's so fine. And this is the inside. Can you see it? Can you see? The lighting. Like, I'm so proud of myself. And this is how I designed the charger. So just little stuff. And this is just my phone casing. So yeah. Oh God. I'm so excited, like I'm so happy. You don't know how happy I am. I thought I was not going to walk, like I was scared, my guy. Whew, but I just thank God, like I'm so happy. I'm like mad, like I'm really happy. So guys, thank you for staying with me throughout this YouTube video. I hope that I'm going to like that I'm going to be posting, like be uploading more videos, because I was so excited and happy while doing this YouTube video. Like, it's a win-win for me and you. So yeah, bye. Bye.